Welcome back to Swirl, Sip, and Savor. We invite you to join us on our summer series where we travel the world through 8 bottles across Europe, and then one bonus pour towards the end where 2 European grapes meet California sunshine and terroir to produce a magnificent white blend. So we're traveling the world starting in the Mediterranean coast of France down in the Languedoc. We're going to move over to the mountainous Alps, tasting some alpine roots. Then we're going to move into Italy. We're going to hit the northeastern border of Italy near Slovenia, moving down back into the west of Italy. And then we're going to wrap our European tour in one of my favorite places, one of the most iconic wine regions in the world, and that is Bordeaux, but not necessarily for the red blends that it's known for. Such an iconic region, slept on that it produces some really good white blends as well. So we're going to taste some of that today. We're going to move on to Greece and figure out how such a place with high winds actually grows some beautiful grapes and produce some wonderful wines. And that's going to wrap our European tour of the summer series. We're going to close out with a bonus pour in California. 2 European grapes meet California's sunshine and terroir to produce a divine white blend in the glass. So join us on our summer series, and maybe it'll convince you to change what you're pouring in your glass this summer, because we're not pouring the traditional wines that we actually love and know. We're going off the beaten path and tasting wines that we tend to not look for as we're hitting the shelves in the stores. So join us this summer for our summer series. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, click the button below so you'll be notified when each series drops. Cheers.